Enhancer. Look at that. Also German Lufthansa, Fanhansa. Another one is coming. I'm sitting in the rest area out here, where we have these reclining chairs, and we can see the aircraft coming in and docking for the passengers to deboard the plane. This is the rest area. We have the recliners out here. It's written, "Welcome to the nap cabs, sleeping cabins, your oasis of relaxation." I wonder what it is. I haven't entered it as yet, and I don't know what it is. There's another Lufthansa aircraft coming in. Look at these plants out here. Another one just coming in. It's coming out. Lufthansa is coming to dock here. Let me see if I can catch it. That's the fog. Cleans the windows. It's written ROGGERMAIR. Rogmeir. That's Star Alliance, and this is where the Lufthansa has come and docked. Morning time. And the airport is, Munich airport, all empty. Look at that. They're going to move this, I think, and connect it with this. Perhaps. See, it's moving. See, it's moving. And. It's coming towards the Lufthansa that has just come in, and it will position itself on the door. When the door opens, this tunnel will take them the passengers, look at this tunnel, sort of, the passengers will go there. Look at this. This is coming slowly and it is going to, it positions itself. There's a driver there. There. So it goes and positions itself on the door. Interesting, isn't it so? Look at that. It's just stopped there. It's lowering itself now. Lowering itself. Slowly to the door. And the plastic sheet is coming forward.